Welcome back YouTube. Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and in this video we're going to go over 5 trading hacks or 5 trading tips that helped me on my journey, and I want to share it with you guys. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video and go over tip number 1. So tip number 1 is going to be a one for the beginners, and that's going to be, instead of wasting your money on these courses that basically are taking all their content from here, go learn how to trade Forex. Make it easy. Get a free course on babypips.com. All you have to do is go to the education tab, how to trade Forex, and you have a full course here. What is Forex? And this is basically a beginner course. You don't need to pay people $500 for a beginner course. You can keep that for the good content. Tip number 2 is gonna be to make a trading plan. I can't tell you how much this helped me during my trading journey, and once I started making a trading plan, things really started to go well and I was able to develop a profitable strategy. I do have a video on how to make a trading plan, and if you want this template, be sure to join my Discord, which can be found linked in the description, and I do have in the resources this trading plan document, so make sure to check that out. And if you are liking this video, please like and subscribe. Always helps the YouTube algorithm. And let's get to tip number 3. So tip number 3 is going to be, if whoever you're learning Forex from or watching videos from is showing more Lamborghinis or showing materialistic things like this on their profile, then they probably don't know what they're talking about, and I would stay away from them. This is me. I'm saying this because, you know, if they have to use a Lamborghini or they have to use something that's expensive or something that you want to achieve or to be able to afford in your life, to prove to you that they know how to trade, they probably don't, right? But if they can prove that they know how to trade through their content or through their actual trading, then these are the people you want to be sticking to, and you definitely want them to be teaching you to trade, not showing you about Lamborghinis. Yes, it's nice to see people who have reached success and to aim for their goals, but remember guys, there's a lot of smoking mirrors, and just be careful out there. And let's go on to tip number 4. So tip number 4, the life hack number 4, is when you start trading and learning and developing a strategy that is profitable for you, you have to prove to yourself that is profitable, and that's only gonna be done by logging your trades, right? So I really recommend, and this is a huge tip, is that every single trade you take, you log it down, you put the trade down, whatever it is, you put what style you used, how much profit, and you put notes, and you know, if it's a loss, then put a loss, and you put notes writing down why did the trade go wrong, or was it the actual method. Now you better test your methods by back testing, and also when you do trade, you need to keep a log to realize if it was a psychological issue or is it an issue with the method, because at the end of the day, no matter what concept you learn, no matter where the concept is coming from, the real results are in the results, right? So that, you know, you really need to make sure that whatever you're doing does have a win rate and has a profitability rate, and with that, then all it comes down to psychology, which is a huge part of trading, because price action will always move in a similar way as it's moved in the past, you know. And once you learn to master or find the technique that you can basically trade based on that price action, it comes down to psychology, and that's the only thing that's going to limit you from becoming profitable. So that's my tip number 4. So the final tip of today is going to be to join a community. There are plenty of free communities out there, but some of them do not do what I want you to join a community for. Why I'm saying to join a community, I mean, there's plenty of live streams out there. We do live stream only once a week to be able to chat to you guys, but I also do have a community. There's a Telegram and the Discord, and there's plenty other, depending who you prefer or the people you prefer. But the reason why I'm giving you advice to join a community is because there you can send your trades, you can send your charts, you can chat with people and get advice, because at the end of the day, you're never ever going to improve unless you get feedback. I can't tell you how important feedback is, and sometimes people notice things that you don't notice, and it becomes a synergy, and you'll be able to improve a lot faster than trying to figure things out yourself, because some people have the answers really quick, and you don't have to dive into the jungle of videos trying to find the answer of what you're looking for. If you can find a trusted community, then that can really help your trading, especially sending charts and getting feedback based on people who might have a little more experience or have a different view and really that will help excel your trading and make sure that you can stay profitable or get even more profitable. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and those who have stuck through to the end of the video, if you'd please leave a like and subscribe, and make sure to comment below 2 things: either a video you want to see in the future, and also let me know if you like this video so I can make a part 2, because I do have a lot more tips in the bank, and would be happy to share them. And yeah, I hope these tips can help beginners, intermediates, and advanced, and just, some simple things that might actually help your trading. So with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.